Hey everyone, Camille here with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing some figures I got from Walmart. Here are they, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is, Elita 1 from Transformers 1 Studio Series, and here's the other one. Transformers 1 starscream. Here he is. I heard the news that Transformers 1 is not getting a sequel. Fans were upset. And also I got Marvel Legends video game versus Spider-Man Miles Morales. Here he is. Here's the suit. And here's Superman 2025. Battle Damaged. Back at summer break, I watched the new Superman movie. It was so good. It was awesome. Greatest movie of all time. I give this movie a 11 out of 10. And I'm gonna be opening these four up. I'm gonna open them up. All of them. All four of them. I'll see you in a minute. Or seconds. I'll see you later. And here they are. Out of the boxes. All these four figures. Oh yeah. Here are the accessories for the figures. Not only that, the Superman, the Battle Damaged Superman have a card for this. And a stand for the figure. And here is the back. The back for the Superman logo. For the image of Superman. Sorry, I messed up. And here he is. Miles Morales. With his Spider-Man suit. With the Puerto Rican flag on him. On his suit. Here is the back. Wait. They even have Black Cat in it. And here is Elita 1. And here's the box out of it. And here is Starscream out of his box. And man, he looks good. Even Elita 1, Miles, and Superman. Let's start off with Starscream. Right then, his shoulder can move, and it's hard to do with one hand. And his arm can move, and the elbow, but it has no wrist joint. And it also can move. And the arm can move. And the elbow can move. And the head. Including the leg. And the knee for Starscream. And here is the accessories for Starscream. Now on the Elita 1. Here is the arms can move, including the elbow for this. It has a ball socket joint. And this can move. And this arm can move. And this, and it goes, and the arm goes up. And here is, now this other elbow can move. But it also has no wrist joint. And her head can move. And her leg can move. Including her knee, and her other leg, and her other knee. And her foot can move. Here's her jetpack, and her blaster in the movie. Now, Miles Morales, here he is. He has the Puerto Rican flag on his suit. Right then. The arm can move, including the elbow. It's hard to do this with one hand. He even has the back crunch. Here it is. The head can move. And this arm can move. Now the butterfly joint can move. And the arm will move. And here is the elbow. Now it's now the elbow can move. His leg can move, and his knee can move, and his foot. I like this figure. And his other leg can move, and his other knee, and that foot is tight. And here he is, his accessories. Here's his open hands. Here he is, his open hands. Here's his hands that he could shoot his webs. And here is the web effect for Miles Morales. Now it is my second Marvel Legend figure for my collection. And one more thing, Spider-Man is my favorite character in the Marvel universe. And here he is, Superman, from the Superman movie. Here he is, out of his box. I like this figure. The battle damage version. His arm can move, and his elbow. His leg can move, and his knee, his foot and toe. Man, the foot are tight on this figure. Here is his other leg can move, and his foot and his knee. His foot can move, and his other toe. Here's the other arm, and also can move. And And his elbow can move. His head can move. He has a little bit of back crunch. And here he is. The card for Superman. And the stand for Superman. For him to stand. The stand. And now. And also. Now my wallet's cooked. Now my wallet's cooked right now. My wallet is cooked. Rest in peace to my wallet. And that is it for the unboxing video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.